Hello, it's your boy Kiera from My Digital Affiliate, the place you learn how to make money online the easiest way possible. All right, let's get started. We're gonna go back to Clickbank here. We're still using the system of My Lead Gen Secrets here. As you know, if you've been following together with us, we've been trying to make money with My Lead Gen Secrets on Clickbank. It's a service that send emails to people, and you get leads every single day, brand new leads every single day. I get 200 here, but you know, because I got a sale on My Lead Gen Secrets, you only need one sale from My Lead Gen Secret to get 200 leads. Anyway, back to the problem here. All right, so what we're gonna do here, we're gonna go ahead and find an offer on Clickbank here. Oh look, let's go marketplace. From what y'all points over here, start over here. Now you only want to market to emailing lists in e-marketing, e-business. This category here, the only one you want to focus on. Any other category, you can get a sale here or there. I've been told somebody made money with health and fitness, but that's not what people signing up to My Lead Gen for. You know, that's not what the leads are signing up to My Lead Gen for. These offers. So basically what you want to do is go to e-business, e-marketing here, and then you make sure to sort by gravity based on that. Now you want to go for the stuff on the first page here, mainly because you want to go for stuff that is already selling well, people are buying. So that's why we sort it by gravity. I mean, a lot of people are getting sales, so that's why we focus on that. Now, what you want to do here, another reason we only focus on the first page, because we're worried about refund rates. Refund rates can be kind of high when the product is not good. So if it made it to the front page, I mean the product's pretty decent. It shouldn't get too many refunds. I actually haven't gotten a refund from this offer here yet. So anyway, it's a very good product. So anyway, what we're gonna do here, we're gonna look at the offers that I recommend to send. All right, so obviously this first offer here, the highest gravity, I've gotten sales on here. I think it was day 2, I had showed I had got a sale. I had got a sale on the first day I did this. And we're gonna scroll down a bit here and pick up some more here. Perpetual income, Click Wealth System. You can get sales with Click Wealth System as well, but it's very small, it's very minimum. See, $18 is nothing. But let's keep moving here. Perpetual income, I have not gotten sales with this on My Lead Gen. I've tried it I sent a couple of emails, didn't get any sales. I ain't focused on it or anything very hard, but I've never gotten a sale on this on My Lead Gen Secrets. I've gotten a sale before, but not on My Lead Gen Secrets. And the sale that I did get was like $3 or $4 or something like that. Text to speech, that's a program. But what you want is, you don't want programs, you want offers to make money. We're gonna focus on those. Paid online writing jobs. See, this is a good offer here. Made sales on this. Something like this sounds really good. Paid online writing jobs. It's a way to make money online. You kind of focus on that. So this is a good offer. Gotten sales on this. Live chat jobs. It's a good offer. Gotten sales on this as well. And 12 minute affiliate. I've never gotten a sale with this ever. Period. Every time in any way, shape, or form. I tried My Lead Gen Secrets with it. I didn't get sales. I've tried other methods. I didn't get sales. I haven't gotten sales with this offer here. Writings app. I've gotten sales with this, but not many. I have gotten sales with this, but it's pretty underperforming, but it still sells because it's the same thing. You get paid to review apps. It's something people want to do. See, you gotta focus on stuff people see as possible. to do, nothing too crazy, nothing too mind altering, like millions of dollars in the first 30 days, yeah, nothing like that. Kind of focus on stuff like get paid to review apps, get paid to write, get paid for live chatting, and stuff that seems possible in general. Now, this is a wild card here. I would consider this one because it's a brand new offer. Not many people have seen it yet, so you could probably get a couple of sales with this right here. I have not tried it, but on my lead gen, because it just came up. It's pretty new. It's like a month old maybe, and it's already on the front page here, so that lets you know it's a pretty solid product. So I recommend giving this a shot. Now, it's ultimately Clickbank with my lead gen secret can make you income, but if you want to really kind of build up your income, you're gonna need a different offer, in which I'm using Savings Highway Global. I'm trying this out. Saving Highway Global gives you recurring income every month somebody signs up to it. So I recommend, maybe Saving Highway Global. I put a link in the description, or any other products, that kind of make it recurring. This is pretty solid recurring. This is probably much more effective than promoting Clickbank offers. But this series is about promoting Clickbank offers, so we're gonna focus on that. All right. So as you know, we're gonna go with get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube here. We're gonna focus on those offers, and then we're gonna click on the affiliate page here. We're gonna move the affiliate page, and we're gonna see what the affiliate page has to say here. And we're gonna look for what we're looking for is email swipes. We're gonna go to email swipes. We are on the fourth one here, so you can see it say 40 per tweet for a name, $40 per tweet here. Copy. All right, so this is what we're gonna do here. We're gonna go to my lead gen secrets here. I'm gonna send that over here like that. I'm gonna pick 40 per tweet for let's pick first name. Only pick first name. Don't ever pick full name. Full name feels very professional. You don't want to go with that. You want to feel more personal. Like you want the person to feel like you know them. You know what I'm saying? Like you've spoken to them before. So 40 per tweet for you probably pick something like get started now. Something like that. Maybe something like that. It don't matter really, but I'm just putting that there. It's an example if you want to add some more stuff to it. It's $40 per tweet. That's pretty solid, really good. So, and then you put I sent the mail already. Sorry about that. I sent the mail already. But you click on perfect timing. We're gonna keep doing this. We're gonna continue off with it. I forgot I already did this earlier today. I did. I remember now. I definitely did. So as you can see, hey name, great news. This is the email here. Looks like a job opportunity. So for blessed wishes, you could pick management. That's a good idea. You can pick management. You can pick your name as well. I kind of recommend management. It needs to give a more professional look, like there's a company looking into them, so they'll probably give it more of a shot, probably take it a little bit more seriously. So that's what you want to do here. So we're going for a name. As you know, you pick your first name fits here. If you watched before, copy. If you haven't, you change your name to the first name so it works with the my lead gen system here. Paste that like that. Right there, we're gonna put a space there. Now what you want to do as well, you see country. When you see country, you just pick your area. Let's see here. Yeah, you pick your area. Make sure that's really focused and followed point it out because you don't want to stay in country and make it seem like it's not relevant to them when they see something like that. So you want to make sure it's congruent. Make sure to bold the job title, job description, all that. Bold that all up like it is in the email. Pay at $40 per hour, $800 per week. All right. You can also buy these products as well. I put a link in the description if you're interested, but because they definitely, I've never gotten a refund from this product, so it works, or at least it works well enough. I haven't bought the product myself, but it clearly works to some degree because I have not seen not one refund. So you can, maybe I'll put the link of the product in the description there, just in case people want to buy the product there. I don't know, but that's not what we're here for. Because it sounds like a good opportunity. I just haven't tried it myself because, well, it's not that I make a lot of money, it's just that I make enough to pay for whatever I pay for my bills. So I'm good, I don't need, but it sounds like a really good opportunity. Maybe I will try it for a video or something. I haven't decided yet. But yeah, I'll put the link in the description there just in case you're interested. Alright, so MLGS right there. Hit one right there. Just make sure you get your link right, and make sure you have your links, and make sure you can tell which account you're on that you're sending this to. So basically you just put these in here, post it like that. I personally make it bold, and then do it again right here, so don't wait. Click here to apply. Personally, there, bold, yeah. Alright, so this email is ready to go. You can also put your name or maybe a photo of yourself, something like that for, this right here. It doesn't matter. I'd rather go with management because the way the system works, they keep seeing, like, you could build a relationship as well if you want to. And in that way, what you want to do is kind of offer stuff. If you want to build a relationship, offer stuff and then have them go, but then have them go through your own funnel. So you can slowly build a relationship with these people and sell them stuff like that. Personally, it's a lot of work. Kind of, it's just not necessary for the average person. You can make a lot of money with just following this system the way I'm showing you how to do it now. And basically, I recommend having 2 or 5 accounts. I only doing this one account, so I'm not making a ton of money off of it. But you want to do this with 5 accounts. You have 5 accounts, and you're getting 900 leads every day if you daisy chain them, and make sure that you're an affiliate for yourself. Therefore, you make money off of your own payment. So $30 a month. If you're affiliate, you make, I think it's $5 recurring. They use all the rest of that money to get people in the system. Yeah, if you know, marketing is kind of hard to get this many people. So yeah, so you want to do it like that. If you want to when you get to 5 accounts, you can do more if you want, but I minimum 2. You want 2 minimum, so you can make sure you get 200 leads a day. I sold this product. I want to show you something before I finish here. But as you can see, that's the email you'll send. Make sure to preview it and make sure the links work, and then send the mail. I already did it, so I can't show that, but let me show you something here really quick here. You can go to affiliates. Now, when I first bought this system, I just promoted this system for a little bit, and people are getting the commissions. You can get commissions off of this here, right here. It's off of this system here. Now, on one of my accounts, I put the lead here on my YouTube. I did your affiliate, the YouTube channel that I just created. I have made videos. I made 2 or 3 videos. They hardly got any views on them at this moment. I don't know about in the future, but at this moment, and I've already managed to get a sale with my lead gen secrets just on them few videos there. So you can also make a YouTube channel if you want to as well, and just kind of promote this offer and just show that you're getting results. Like, this is results here. So just make sure you show results as you show people how to make money, and you can make money off of that as well. Not to count that when you get to above 1,000 subscribers and 6,000 watch hours, you will also, qualify for their system and for their money, monetization. Once you qualify for their monetization, you are a channel that promotes making money, which is one of the highest EPCs on YouTube. Therefore, I think it's like $50 something. I don't know. It's something crazy, and like make a ton of money doing that, teaching people how to make money on YouTube. So work on that as well. Just like I'm doing right here. Just copy this. Copy what I'm saying. Copy what I'm doing. And make a YouTube channel, make you some more income, have you multiple sources of income coming in. I haven't gotten this to make money yet, but eventually it will at some point. If I keep at it, it'll eventually grow to that point, and it'll just be another source of income. So yeah, I just wanted to point that out. Okay, let's keep on moving here. I think that's about it. Yeah, we sent the email there. Yeah, we did, and that's about it for today, guys. We'll check you out tomorrow. Good luck out there.